Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have an amazing new DIY that you can recreate for yourself. It's simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've done today, just keep on watching. For this DIY, I'm going to be starting off with these ice cube blocks, and they are from Amazon, as well as these glass cutting boards from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to glue down 4 of the icicle blocks. Next, I'm just going to flip it over and add 3 icicle blocks into the center of the project. Right here you see me gluing down the second cutting board. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to be going in with these large crystals from eFavormart, and I'll be using them to line the outer perimeter of my project. Right here I'm just showing you that I've left a section open so that I can add some fairy lights, and I do want to point out that it is a little bit difficult to add these fairy lights with such a small space, so I would recommend that you leave a few more gems off so that it's easy for you to place your fairy lights inside of the project, because it really did take me a long time to get my lights into place. So now I'm just going to glue down the battery pack to the bottom of the project, and I'm going to place it closer to the edge so I don't have to flip it over to turn on and off the lights. Then I'm just going to push the rest of the wire inside of the project. I'll be using this leftover Dollar Tree mirror, and I'm just going to glue it down to the center of the project. I'll be using clear translucent Elmer's glue as well as silver large chunky glitter. And here's what it looks like. What do you guys think? So guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. A beautiful vanity tray that you can recreate for yourself. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to the channel, as well as hitting that notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.